In this video, we are going to look at Allegra MD, the easiest way for you to start outsourcing your back office staff, save money, and start focusing on your core competencies. If you perform medical billing, then you understand the headaches and expense associated with accounts receivables management. You understand the effort associated with charge entry, entering demographics, calling insurance payers, and the headaches of managing employees. Allegra MD makes handling all of these jobs easy and inexpensive by offering you a complete and easy-to-use staff outsourcing solution. Working with you, we help you transform your company into a more efficient and profitable organization, allowing you to focus on your customers and growing your business. Medicare reimbursement rates are falling. The private payers base their rates on Medicare, so collections amounts are down all around. Your staff wants raises and your managers are screaming for more help. In order to run your business, you need people. Yet people are expensive and take your time and involvement to manage. We can show you how to reduce this cost with outsourcing. So let's talk a little about outsourcing. Isn't it only for large companies? Some of your staff is working directly with the providers and patients. We call this work the front office. Others are working, calling insurance payers, entering charges, payments, and managing your accounts receivables. We call this work the back office. Wouldn't it be nice if you could focus on the front office that is making an impact directly on your customers and reduce the burdens of the expense and management of the back office staff? This is what outsourcing and Allegra MD can do for you. We specialize in working with companies of different sizes to identify the functions in your organization that can be performed offshore with the same or better quality service, but at a much lower cost. As part of our solutions, our American staff will work with you to perform a documented analysis of your business operations, to identify the back office functions, and work alongside you to outsource those functions offshore. After you are 100% comfortable with the business process, our offshore staff, which is highly educated and trained in medical billing procedures, begins the day-to-day processing. Okay, so with outsourcing, I can dramatically reduce my costs without sacrificing quality. What about maintaining control of how the work gets done? As part of the analysis, we document the back office process and procedures that your company uses and how your software operates. Working with you, we train the offshore staff to perform the work in the same manner as your local staff. The offshore team is really part of your team, responsible to you. Using efficient electronic messaging, voice over internet, and other tools, your offshore staff appears as if it's on the next floor right next to you. Our process is to start small, one function at a time, measure our success, and continue with the next function. This is what sets Allegra MD apart from the pack. Getting started with the outsourcing is not hard. We have a standard process that involves you and a discovery process to learn your business workflow. We create and present a stepped plan that illustrates how and when each function will be outsourced. Okay, so what are the next steps? How do I get started? Just click on the Getting Started button on the site. One of our skilled representatives will contact you for a meeting to explain how your organization can benefit from outsourcing and work with you to develop a plan to get started.